This one rule changed my life this year. You know, when you are not the average person or you want to go out of the norm, you probably have a lot more problems than the average person, and you need some things to keep you grounded before you go batshit crazy or lose your mind or spiral down into IMH as Sime. Right? And it's called the 80-20 rule, which is also called the Parento's rule. So it's basically a ratio, right? It's figuring out what is this small ratio that generates you 80% of this da 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 da. So I'll give you an example. For example, 20% of what I do is content, but this content generates 80% of where I get my clients. Right? So it's figuring out like where should I put my effort at? Figuring out what is the 20% that I should do more often in order to generate 80% of my results. Same thing for studies. You can use this for studies, for your work, for anything. Another example, which is 20% of your clients is going to cost you 80% of your fucking problems. So your job is to cut these fuckers out, or it can even be friends, cut these 20% of your friends out, and your life is going to get so much easier because they generate 80% of your problems. So by just following this one rule, I promise you, your life will be a lot less complicated, a lot easier, a lot more fulfilling.